Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities, exercise 3.6, question number 12. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graph. Here the given question is x minus 2y is less than or equal to 3. 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 1. We can't solve inequalities in graph. For that reason, we are going to take it to be a equation, that is, let x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here x plus 4y equal to 12. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. We are going to consider this to be equation so that we can able to solve it by equation by substituting a value of x and y. If I substitute x to be 0, then your y will be equal to 0. If I substitute x to be 1, then your y will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Sorry, plus 1 by 2. 1 will come this side as minus 1. This will come and divide. 2 will come and divide. So it will become half. Now the same way, substitute x to be 0, y will be equal to 3. If I substitute y to be 0, then x will be equal to 4. We can write any value of y where x will be equal to 0. The same way, we can write any value of x, your y will be equal to 1. Now let us mark in graph. So plot the point of the graph, draw the linear graph. 0, 0 is the first point, 1, half, it will be here. Extend the line. Join the 2 points, extend the line. Yeah, then for the next equation it is 0, 3 and 4, 0. For the next one, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is your graph for the third equation. It is on the y-axis. For the fourth one, 0, 1, 1. So this is your graph for the third one is on the y-axis. This is your fourth equation graph. We have drawn everything. We need to take any point on this side or that side of the graph so that we can check with whether they are towards the graph, the point is towards the line we have taken or away from the line we have taken. I am going to take 1, 1 for everything because it's not so 1, 1 is also there. So 1, 2 or 1, 3. Let me take 1, 3. If I take 1, 3 in all the cases, substituting the value 1 for x and 1, 3. I have taken 1, 3. Substitute the value here. 1 minus 3 2s are 6 is less than or equal to 3. Here it becomes minus 5 is less than or equal to 3. In the first case, for the second one, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3 is greater than or equal to 12. Here it becomes 3 plus 4 3s are 12 is greater than or equal to 12. 15 is greater than or equal to 12. In this case, 1, 3. So 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Here 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Now check whether it's true or false. Here the condition satisfies. Minus 5 is less than 3. Not the equal to symbol. Just see the greater than or less than symbol. Here minus 5 is less than 3 is true. Here also it is true. Here 1 is greater than 0 is true. 3 is greater than 1 is also true. Therefore, the shaded region should be towards the point. The shaded region should be towards the point. Now let us shade on the graph. Here 1 comma 3 is here, so the line, it should be towards the 1 comma 3 point. So now for this line it should be towards, so it's here. Here for this, the region is here, so it should be towards for the y-axis, because third point is the y-axis. And for the fourth one, this is a line, so it is towards here. The common region shows the solution for the inequalities. This is a common region to show the solution for the inequalities. So write it on the graph that the common shaded region on the graph shows the solution of the inequalities. That's all with the sum. Thank you.